Hey guys, I wanted to film a video on the Sister Wig Beyond Your Imagination collection Kenzie in blonde. I bought this from Go Beauty New York or Go Beauty NY, which either one. I wanted to say, I bought this on Sunday and it's Wednesday and it's already here, and I live in Canada and they're shipping from the States. So please just keep that in mind because it is killer shipping for Go Beauty New York, at least where I am. This is the Zury synthetic hand-tied full circle moon part lace front wig Beyond Your Imagination. Kenzie, color blonde. This came to $42.48 for me, not Canadian if I'm not mistaken, so there was a transfer in the price or whatever. I'm really excited about this because I saw a lot of people posting videos and they were saying one of two things. Some people were saying it was too big, lots and lots of room. Some people were saying it was too small, where it had no room. So I was very curious to find out. I wasn't scared of losing my money because I know a trick to stretch factory synthetic wigs, so I wasn't too worried about it. Excuse me, I'm getting over tonsillitis right now. I don't know if you can believe it, but I'm 24 and I'm getting tonsillitis, like what the hell. So this is the wig. Really pretty. It looks a little more yellowy than I like, but I'm willing to look past it for the simple fact that I absolutely love the curls. I'm not going to be wearing it up in a top knot like this. However, you can definitely see the moon parting. It's going to come with really long parting. Comes with pretty dark lace. And it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the temples, 1 in the nape, and some adjustable straps. Now, I'm going to be going ahead and trying this on. I'm going to be taking off this Diamond Dynasty hair, 34 inches, that I straightened. I wanted to come at you guys in this hair so I can show you what it looked like straightened. I'm going to be putting this wig on the Kenzie by Zury, and I'm going to be fucking with the hairline a bit, seeing what's good. I'll be back with you guys when I have it all, on and ready to go. Be right back. Okay, so I just put her on. I fucked with the baby hairs a bit, but I didn't go too ham because to the bitches who be fucking with me saying that this is big head friendly, y'all fuckers is lying. This is so tight. I have a 23.5, 24 diameter head. I have to know that, of course, because I make my own wigs. So I have to have measured my head. I have a wig block for my sized head, and I usually don't have a problem. This is tight as fuck. I mean, don't get me wrong. I got it on. It's pulled down to the nape of my neck. However, it's not, it's not killing me. It's just pretty fucking tight. So I think I'm going to do a video showing you guys how I stretch my factory-made synthetic wigs. It's very, very simple, very cheap, and extremely effective. I did it with some old Harlem 125 wigs, years and years and years old, and it worked really well. Now, as you can see, potentially, the lace on this is very dark for my complexion. Of course, if you have a deeper complexion, this is probably going to match you perfectly because I am extremely, extremely fair. So just please keep that in mind. If you are potentially wanting to order this wig as a white person, even if, you could get away with it if you were like a tanned white person. Like I'm thinking like a NC 35 and up. You could pop, I don't know, 30 probably. I'm an NW 1820, NC 1820. So you could probably get away with it then. I mean, it's nice and it's a beautiful style. It's very Jane Mansfield. I have a very tall head as well too, so these styles always look extremely different on me because on the girls on YouTube, it's a little bit longer looking. I watched a video first. I saw this on Deanna Marguerite, I believe is her name. She's one of the girls I go to for 613 blonde hair. She does lots of reviews. I really trust her. So I'll link her video below for this wig. She was selling this wig on Sunday, I believe. And then I contacted her to get the wig. I was like, fuck yeah, I'm buying it. Because she only had it for 20 bucks. And then it had already been sold. So I was kind of pissed about that. I was like, fuck. But, I mean, it's not her fault. Good for her for making her coins. But I just thought, you know, let's go ahead and buy it. I had been eyeing it up for a hot ass minute. I decided to go ahead with it. I might do this style with human hair because, maybe just a bit longer, because I'll be able to tone it so that it's not such a yellow color. And please keep in mind as well that I have my light set to the coolest setting that it can go. So this isn't even as yellow as the hair is. So please do keep that in mind. I messed with the baby hairs a little bit, but I was thinking if it's going to be taken off and stretched, there's no point in me laying down some baby hairs. I'm not going to be wearing this out today because it needs to be stretched and I couldn't wear this all day. However, the curls feel gorgeous. The hair feels gorgeous. I'm actually not getting any tangles, which is pretty good for synthetic hair. I don't usually fucks with synthetic hair. However, this is kind of doing me good right now. It's not doing me dirty, but wait for it. Synthetic hair always does you dirty in the end, girl. I kind of like it. It's kind of sex bomb. It's very like Jane Mansfield. On some of the other girls, it looked more Pam Anderson, like it was a bit longer. And I liked that look. However, it's very Jane Mansfield. Not as much Pam Anderson on me. Maybe a bit Anna Nicole for sure. So I think I might recreate this with a human hair wig because I do quite... See, it's starting to fuck with me now. Huh. So anyway, yeah, I think it's kind of pretty. Am I like totally in love with it? No. Due to the size. And it doesn't, I have very low sideburns and it doesn't really cover those. However, if you have a smaller head, like, mind you, once again, I said I have a very large head. I could see you playing with this if you have a bit of a smaller head. Like even a 22 and a half, 23 circumference head, I think even that would be good. But because my head is like so large, as I said, I'm large in every aspect. You know, I would say that this potentially might be too small for you. I mean, do what you gotta do, mama. Definitely, you know, fuck with it if you want to fuck with it, but... And there's a good amount of shedding, of course. Once again, synthetic hair. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. I don't mind it. I think this would be like... If I went to the club and I knew I was really gonna get low, I think I'd probably wear this because I don't have to worry about like having to detangle some human hair at the end of the night. We all know how that can be when you go out with your favorite wig and then you have to spend the next day kind of nursing it back to health. That's why I like synthetic wigs to go out, because they're not too much work the next day because you just kind of brush them out uncarefully. Anyway, yeah, I like the volume it gives this way. I like volume out to the sides. and volume up to the top, but I really like volume up to the sides. It's very old Hollywood. Anyway, you guys, I hope you liked the video. Hope you like the hair. If you have any requests, definitely leave them down below. I will be doing a video on how I stretch synthetic factory made hair, like wigs that come like these in these packages from like the beauty supply store. Once again, I bought mine from Go Beauty New York. I'll leave the link to the wig down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.